Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Today I have a new guest design team project that I've created for Scrap Diva Designs featuring the Ticket Memorydex. I've also created coordinating gift boxes. Before I review this project in detail, let me take a moment to review the dies that I used. The main die for this project is the Ticket Memorydex. I had so much fun using this. You have 4 separate pieces. I used the hibiscus flower plate,
the tropical leaves,
the bikini dies, and last but not least, I used the double loop bow. All of these dies are available at Scrap Diva Designs. Please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10 for a discount. I will also include an affiliate link and all of the featured products in the description box below. Please also take a moment to visit Erica online. She is available on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. I love the way the Ticket Memorydex card as well as the coordinating gift box look. This was really fun and easy to make. The paper collection that I used is Park Lane Summer Resort and Miss Kate Designs Spooky Vibes. The paper collection may look familiar to you. That is because I just used them a few days ago to make the popcorn shaker boxes. I have created the Memorydex cards to coordinate with a popcorn box, and I will be giving them away to a special person. I'm going to clear off my desktop so that I can review each of the Memorydex cards one by one and also show you how I made the coordinating gift boxes. This is my first Ticket Memorydex card. I think this is so adorable. In the back, I have created this fun shaker, and if you look closely, you can see the blues and turquoise and hints of yellow sequins. We've got this cute little sun. Here are the hibiscus flowers. We've got the little bikini in the back. And on the right side, I've included this cute little school of fish, and we've got this little collage in the lower right-hand corner. We've got seashells, we've got seaweed and coral, and then I love this octopus here. Now on the back, I have used all 4 layers in the Ticket Memorydex die. We've got this blue layer, which is the base of the Memorydex. We have this decorative layer here in yellow, and then the 2 smaller pieces. We have one here, and then I use the smallest piece to include a sentiment that says a gift for you. Now I printed this out in Cricut Design Space. Now I've also made this a gift card holder. So I have a $25 gift card to Five Below, and it just slips back in just like so. Now to make this, I simply cut out 2 of the Memorydex cards and then I glued it on the back on 3 sides. This is the second Memorydex card that I created. I think this one is so fun. Now this one is all about summer cocktails. In the back you can see the fun sequins. We've got stars and candy and blue sequins. Here we have a cute little summer cocktail. We've got the sunglasses, little striped bikini. It says squeeze the day, and then I've also got pina coladas and more cocktails in the back. We've got these adorable little lemon slices, more of the hibiscus flowers, and of course the tropical leaves. Now this is also a gift card. However, on the back of this design, I've kept it simple and just included the lemon slices, but you can still insert your gift card right on the side here. This is the gift box that I've created for the Ticket Memorydex. I think this is so much fun. This is very easy to make. I simply took 2 pieces of heavyweight cardstock that measure 6.5 by 5.5. I scored it on all 4 sides at
3/4 of an inch.
And the bottom box I simply cut just a smidge smaller. I took off 1/8 of an inch on the side and on the bottom so that it fits perfectly into the lid. On the top here, I used the double loop bow from Scrap Diva Designs. We have this cute little school of fish here. In the center, it says Summer Vibes. And then we've got this adorable little hibiscus flower with the tropical leaves. Inside, I have crinkled paper, and then I can fit my Memorydex card inside like so. That creates a nice presentation. As I mentioned, I created the ticket Memorydex cards to go with the popcorn shaker. This is what I created a few days ago, and as you can see, this makes a beautiful combination. Now, I plan to include fun beach items in here, such as sunscreen, lotion, hand sanitizer, and lip balm. And then, of course, we've got the ticket Memorydex card, plus the coordinating gift certificate to 5 and below. So I think this makes a lovely gift. This is my next Memorydex card. This is so fun. I created this in a Halloween theme. This is also a shaker, and you can see the fun shaker elements and sequins on the top. On the left, I have the spiderweb bow from my stash. I just love this pastel Halloween paper. I think it's so much fun. I layered the ephemera to create this cute little scene, and then I've also added in these sparkly pink popcorn pieces that I cut out using Cricut Design Space. I love this little ghost here. It says boo, and then I added in these little purple googly eyes that I had from my stash. Now on the back, this is also a gift card. I've used all 4 layers in the Ticket Memorydex card. It says a gift for you. This was also cut out on Cricut Design Space, and the gift card goes right on this side here. Let's take a look at the gift box. This is the fun gift box that I created. Again, I use the double loop bow. I love that bow from Scrap Diva Designs. I've got a little stitch circle in the back and the cute ephemera pieces layered. And on the inside, I've got it lined with purple paper and this pink crinkled paper. And the Memorydex fits in perfectly, just like so. This is the Halloween popcorn shaker box that I created, and as you can see, this is a lovely combination. I plan to include fun goodies, candies, and other spooky treats. Here's a final look at my Ticket Memorydex cards and coordinating gift boxes. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. Please remember, all of the dies that are featured in this project are included in the description box below. Please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10 to receive a 10% discount. Please tune into my channel tomorrow to see other fun projects that I've created with the Scrap Diva Designs July 2024 release. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.